Get ready for a magical fruit adventure! Watch closely. Let's start with our first fruit, a bright and happy apple. Draw the shape gently, nice and round. Great job! Now it's time for the rainbow magic. Let's paint the apple in rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Look how beautiful it's becoming! Are you ready for glitter? Sprinkle the glitter all over the rainbow apple. Wow! It's sparkling so brightly! And look! The colors are starting to shuffle like a rainbow dance. Now we're drawing our second fruit, the orange. Start with a circle, smooth and round. Add a tiny leaf on top. Wonderful! Let's paint it with beautiful, bright orange color. Make it juicy and shiny. Here comes the glitter again. Tap, tap, tap. Add the glitter. Wow! The orange is sparkling too! Only one fruit left. Time for our last fruit, the pear. Draw a big round bottom, then a smaller round top. Connect them gently. Good job! Paint it with a soft green color. Make it look fresh and yummy. Add the glitter. Look, the pear is sparkling just like the others. And there it is, 3 magical fruits shining together. Great job, little artists. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more magical drawings.